Are you tired of tools that damage your connectors? Hi, I'm Kirk with DMC. Today I will show you how to use DMC strap wrenches to tighten and torque your connector backshells without damaging your delicate connectors in the process. DMC offers an assortment of strap wrenches for the assembly and disassembly of circular connectors. These tools have durable yet soft and malleable straps that grip but don't strip or deform the connector shell. We offer standard, loopless, and handleless strap wrench tools. Looped strap wrenches are the standard tool and feature a looped strap securely attached to the tool through a body link. They are available in 3 different sizes to accommodate connector shell diameters ranging from 1/4 inch to 4 inches. The 3/8 square drive on the tool frame makes them compatible with common measurement devices to capture torque values. A retrofit kit is available to convert these strap wrenches into loopless strap wrenches. Loopless strap wrenches utilize the same 3 frames but feature a flat strap with a clamping buckle to create the loop. The loopless straps are designed to prolong the lifespan of straps by securely holding them in place even after wear has caused a portion of the strap to break. The remaining piece of strap can be easily threaded through the clamping buckle. Straps are made of high tensile strength materials and feature superior gripping qualities. Our blue straps are recommended for general connector assembly use and provide great all-around performance. Black straps have a strong grip ideal for tightening connectors with small diameters. Loopless versions are recommended. Red straps are thicker and highly durable. They are ideal for higher torquing ranges on connectors with a 1-inch diameter or greater. And our white straps are best used on connectors with a 2-inch diameter or larger. These are only available in a looped configuration. Handleless strap wrenches are smaller alternatives that are ideal for use with torquing devices such as our BTST302D digital torque wrench. They are available in looped and loopless configurations. These strap wrenches free up a significant amount of space when used in conjunction with the digital torque wrench. This allows users to accurately torque the connector without having the handle obstruct their view or torquing ability. Now I will be demonstrating how to use DMC strap wrenches with a connector. First, you have to identify which strap to use. This connector has a diameter of 2¼ inches. According to the chart located in the DMC catalog, we will want to use a BT-BS609BSS strap wrench, which has a blue strap. The blue strap is good for general connector assembly use. Start by installing the belt. Always install with the loop facing downwards against the wrench body. It is important that the rubber surface is utilized to grip the part being tightened or loosened. Now loop the strap around the part to be tightened. Be sure the flat bottom of the wrench body is facing the direction in which the tightening force is to be applied. Next, insert the strap through the locking link on the top of the wrench. Then pull the strap through until the nose of the wrench is close to the part to be tightened. For free movement of the strap, hold the locking link perpendicular to the wrench with your thumb. Now, with the strap folded under the nose of the wrench, apply the tightening force. Now I'll demonstrate the handleless strap wrench with a loopless strap. First, you will select the proper loopless strap wrench and thread it through the clamping buckle. Loop the strap around the part to be tightened. Like before, ensure that the flat bottom of the wrench body is facing the direction in which the tightening force is to be applied. Now insert your torque wrench with the square drive hole in the strap wrench body and tighten to your desired torque value. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos. You can also follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and X.